Hi, welcome to Barry's Backyard Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing some small little ham and cheese appetizers with butter sauce on top of it. And we're going to get started with putting the butter on. We're going to get it melted in the pan, and then we'll come back and we'll put the buns and stuff on. While we're melting the butter, we're going to stack all the cheese and the meat with the ham on it and get everything put on the little slider buns. And today we're going to put Swiss cheese and sliced ham on there. But you can put anything that you want, whatever meets your preference to what you like. You can put provolone, whatever on it. So. And our butter's almost melted, so we'll bring that over pretty soon and put some spices on it. Alright, butter looks pretty good. And for spices today, we just have some regular cracked pepper, some parsley, a little bit of crushed up garlic, and some onion powder. And again, if you like it hearty and garlicky, you can put lots of garlic in it. If not, just suit it to your little dash. And just mix it around now. And if you want, I didn't use any salt or anything like that. You can always add salt or just use salted butter, one of the two. I think it smells pretty good. Alright, now we're going to brush the sauce that we just made and coat all the sliders real evenly so that everything cooks up nice and gets the nice flavor for it.
This one has extra cheese and extra meat on it.
This is the onion, garlic, butter, pepper sauce. And just put a little bit on there. Make sure you get it on pretty good. And then we'll cover it back up and leave it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Come back out and we'll give it a check. Okay, now we're done with the 20 minutes that's passed. And I will open it up and see how things look. Well, they definitely look like 20 minutes worth of cooking. Now, if you want to, you can take them out and just cut them like this and get however many out you want at a time if you're serving different people and stuff. So, but But right now, we'll just take the whole pan out and set it over here, and then we'll put it on the plate, or we'll just bring it in. All right, so now we're going to cut them and put them on a plate. And there you go. There's 4. And then we'll cut the other 2. We'll put those on a plate. And then they will all be ready to go. And they look lovely. A little bit slippery on the side. And there we go. Me, I'm gonna put mine back on for a little bit, but thanks for tuning in to another episode of Barry's Backyard Barbecue. And later on, we'll be doing some more potatoes and some different things coming up. Thank you.